Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Claude AI language model. So this is another one of these ChatGPT, Google Gemini type tools that you could use online to run your queries and add your prompts and have it, give you some useful information. So Claude is different from the others, so they all have their pros and cons. There's actually a nice rundown of the differences between Claude and ChatGPT, and I'll put this down below so you could check out this link yourself so you could read about it. It's pretty useful information here. All right, so how it works, you'll have your Claude window here with your box where you type in your prompts, just like with all the others. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to upload a PDF file and then have Claude give us some information out of that file. So I have it open here in a web browser tab. So it's a motherboard manual, and you can see it's got a lot of information in it. So I could either paste in the link or I can upload the file. So I'm going to upload the file. So this is the pay for professional version of Claude, where the free version, you're limited as to what you could do, how many prompts you could do per day, how long the prompt text could be, image uploads and that type of thing. I don't think it will actually analyze website links like the pro version will, but at least with the free version you could try it out and see if you want to upgrade to the pro version. All right, so I'm going to attach the file here. You can see maximum 5 files, 10 megabytes each. Okay, so you can see it has the PDF loaded there, so now I could ask it a question based on this upload. So since this is a motherboard manual, I'm going to ask some questions about RAM slots and CPU slots and see what it comes up with. Okay, so how many RAM slots does this motherboard have and what CPUs does it support? Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's telling us that it has 4 RAM slots, dual channel slots, and it supports these processors. Okay, so let's ask about the security features of this motherboard. Okay, so there's the information right there, pulled from the document. So you can see that's pretty cool when it comes to analyzing some large documents there, just to summarize certain information that you're looking for. Okay, so for the next test, I have this motherboard picture here, and I'm going to have it answer some questions based on that. So I'm going to copy the link to the image. So you can see it's a JPEG link here, image link. So I will ask, okay, so what CPU socket does this motherboard have and how many RAM slots does it have? And then I'll paste in the link afterwards to the image. Okay, so it found the actual model and the LGA 1200 socket type. And I know that's true because that's what I looked up for the image. Tells you which processors it supports and shows 2 DIMM slots for RAM, which you can see right here. Okay, so let's try this again for this image here of these cables to see if it can identify it. All right, so what type of cable is this? Paste the image link. Okay, so it tells us that it's an eSATA cable, which is correct. And it actually describes the connector on the left and also the connector on the right, and then gives you a little summary. So you can see this could come in very handy for general information and then especially for computer troubleshooting. So if you want to have it break down documents or summarize documents or identify pictures and that type of thing, it'd come in really handy. So I would suggest giving the free version a shot, and then if you find it works well for you, you could try the pro version. I think it's around 20 bucks a month, so it's not too bad if it's something you think you might use all the time. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.